Hey guys, so these series of videos are going to be about the programming language called Java. I'm sure you've all heard of it. Uh, and it's going to be pretty much about how we can do amazing things with Java and more specifically with the environment called BlueJ. So the reason why I chose BlueJ in the first place is because I think uh, it is an incredibly user-friendly tool. And I think a lot of beginners should use BlueJ to sort of not just get introduced to Java, but get introduced, way in the beginning, get introduced to programming in itself. And they should do it by BlueJ because it has such incredible things here and there that really make your lives so much easier. So you can download BlueJ just by Googling it. And I mean, you can just Google BlueJ Java. It should be one of the first few lines, and I think it's Oracle that did it. Um, and yeah, the website is quite user friendly, and it should be quite straightforward to download and install BlueJ. And once you have BlueJ, you can just double click on the icon, and this is exactly what's going to show up. But before we get started on programming, I'm just going to give you guys like a brief update on what we're going to be doing in the next video and the videos after that. So the point of these videos will be essentially to try and get you guys to learn about specific things in BlueJ. And I'm going to try and do it from like the very beginning to quite advanced level stuff. Especially, I mean, hopefully if we have time. And I'll have several videos. There'll be several, like only a few minutes long. They'll be quite short. But the important thing is that each video will pertain to some specific topic or some specific objective that I think really it goes step by step. And I think to learn the steps, one at a time is a lot more better than just going all the way, all of it through once. So let's just start on the next video, and hopefully you guys join me. Thank you, and see you guys next time.